Hi friends, Namaskar. How are you doing? Is everyone doing good? Okay. So, last video we saw about the clay art, how to make a clay. So this day, that is today, we're gonna have a different topic. What is a different topic? It's about a mythological fact. Everyone knows Mahabharata and Bhagavad Gita, right? Mahabharata was the consequences and the war between Pandavas and Kauravas. Bhagavad Gita is one of the beautiful and the sacred book which was preached by Krishna to Arjuna. This is the Bhagavad Gita. So there is also another Gita which was preached by Krishna. Do you know which one? It's Uddhava Gita. What is it, Uddhava Gita? What is the meaning of Uddhava? There's a story for it. There was a person called Uddhava. Uddhava was a chariot rider and a childhood person for Krishna. From the childhood of Krishna, Uddhava has served in many ways. He was a chariot rider, he was a household person, and many more. He was one of the closest person to Krishna. One day, Krishna was riding on a chariot where Uddhava was driving it. Krishna was saying to Uddhava, "Oh Uddhava, you didn't ask me any questions or for any boons. My avatar is going to end. In my avatar, I have given many boons and satisfaction to the people. You haven't asked me anything, so I can end my avatar with peace and satisfactory. Do you wanna ask me anything?" Uddhava is so curious, at the same time he is fearing how to ask to Krishna. Krishna says, "Okay Uddhava, proceed, you can ask." Uddhava was so curious about Mahabharata and the Krishna's actions in it. And he was so curious. Did Krishna do the right thing or the wrong thing? So Uddhava proceeds. "Krishna, who is a loyal friend?" Krishna answers, "A friend who helps his friend in the time of crisis and makes him understand about the mistakes made is a loyal friend." Uddhava, "Okay Krishna, Pandavas believed you hopefully. You were the Apad Bandhava for them. Why didn't you make Pandavas win in the dice game?" Krishna, "Oh Uddhava, your question is right. I didn't make the Pandavas win because I wasn't invited to the hall where the dice were being played." Why Krishna, what happened? First, in the game, one should have a viveka before playing any game. That is, intelligence in discrimination. So, who has a viveka? That person wins the game. So as Pandavas and Kauravas had a dice game, where Kaurava, that is Duryodhana, even though he is wealthy, he wasn't knowing about the game. So, with his viveka, he made Shakuni play on the behalf of Kauravas. Whereas in Pandavas, Dharmaraj came to me and requested me not to enter the hall. More than that, he prayed and he binded me with his prayers that I shouldn't come to the hall and interfere with the game. These were the mistakes made by Dharmaraj. Whereas, the next sequence, Uddhava asked Krishna, "You didn't even help Pandavas, that means Dharmaraj and his brothers, during the middle of the game at least. Should I given them a chance, or should I protect them when they were about to lose their brothers and country?" Krishna answers, "Okay." That was again blunder mistake which Dharmaraj made and his brothers too. When Dharmaraj and his brothers were about to lose their wealth, country and themselves, they were only cursing Duryodhana and Shakuni and Kauravas. They didn't utter my name. They didn't even call me. Just imagine Uddhava, if I would have played in the place of Dharmaraj with Shakuni, whose favor the victory would have been given. Just imagine. That's it. I would have saved Pandavas. Then, oh Krishna, okay, these were the explanation given by you. Fine. You didn't even help Draupadi. What is it about? She was about to lose her modesty. What is this? Krishna. Krishna answers. When Duryodhana ordered Dushasana to take Draupadi into the hall, she came. Who? Draupadi to the hall. Dushasana has severely harassed her. At the time, Draupadi was screaming and arguing with the people. But she didn't utter my name, she didn't even call me. When her femininity, or when my last stage of disrobing was being made to Draupadi, she uttered my name, "Oh Hari, where are you? Please come and help me." I came and helped her. That is me. Uddhava, so shocked about Krishna's explanation, and tears are rolling from his eyes. "Oh Krishna, you won't do anything without the proper things. I demanded you the question. You have given me the satisfactory answers. Oh Krishna, oh Krishna, oh Krishna." Uddhava again asked Krishna, "Krishna, can I ask you a few more questions?" Krishna, Uddhava, proceed. "Krishna, will you come? Only the people or the devotees who call you?" Krishna, laughingly, replies, says or replies, "See Uddhava, your life, that is the human life, runs based upon their karma. I will not interfere. I will just supervise whether you are doing right or wrong. That is my job. If you observe in Kurukshetra as well, I was just beside of the Pandavas. Did I fight the war? No. From that sequence you can just imagine I am the witness or Sakshi for the actions. I won't interfere between your life." Okay, Uddhava. Okay, Krishna. You'll just be watching, is it? Your job is to just supervise us? You won't say? Krishna answers, "See, Uddhava, when I am with you, when you realize that I am within you, you won't do any illegal or dirty business. That's it. Just realize it. Will you make any dirty or bad things when I am within you or with you? You won't. You are aware that I am within you and with you. Just remember Uddhava." Uddhava has a splendid reaction on his face and again tears rolling from his eyes. He says, "Krishna, thank you so much. My curiosity has been disabled. Krishna, you are everything. You are everything. You are everything." So friends, by this conversation between Uddhava and Krishna, Krishna has given a very beautiful explanation about his actions in Mahabharata. So, friends, if you have any queries or if you like to add any points to it so that we can upload another video based upon the people, you can surely give a comment on it. Your feedbacks are valued. Your comments are respected in our channel. So, hope you like this video. Post your comments for further improvement and upgrade. Then, it's your MSK. Like, share and subscribe. MSK. See you soon. Bye.